So this is just a recap of the trades taken today. Due to my schedule, it was not possible for me to trade during the normal market hours from 11 a.m. Eastern. So took a couple of trades during the European session. Used what I'd consider extraordinary size, and all three trades worked out. So let's have a look at the trades. Also programmed in a new indicator, but that's not neither here nor there. So let's have a look here. Cookies of Pete's sake, I don't give a about cookies. Anyway, so this was a trade. So took a short here on our friends over at NQ. So at the time, the value area high was in and around where we were. So as we can see here on that recently drawn profile, this is where value area high was. So this price is in that range. So if it's not the price strategy, saw that the rejection of that value area in my range, decided to go short, and ultimately the target was hit to the downside here. The markets opened. We took a trade over on gold, and that trade was also a winner whenever it loads. So this is where I started to use this new indicator. We saw price came up, went short, should have taken profit on the move to here. So this move here should have taken me out. Made the adjustments, made the adjustments. Price eventually did turn around, had the target further down, so almost had an execution error loss here, but market did work in my favor. Price eventually came around and hit my target before the market opened at 8:30 Eastern. Finally over on silver, we were hit the first time on silver. So over on silver, we can see here where gold goes to the target, turn around, pulled out before hitting the target. On silver, it's a bit more straightforward. Price came up, had a bit of a reject, went short, target was hit there. This app uses cookies. Why would you need cookies on a kick rocks? So let's have a look at the old account. So we can see we're at 4289845. So we are actually up on the month. Not by a lot, but we are up on the month. So a bit of a surprise. I thought today, this month would be a losing month. Could still be the case if I trade tomorrow. So let's have a look at the balance history. So the most recent trade, of course, was the gold trade. We can see we hit target on NQ, and we hit target over there on silver. Paid quite a lot in commissions today, but we are certainly happy with the overall performance. So if we go back to see, we played a lot in commissions. So let's see, 2761. I guess so. So let's have a look here at the overall. I think we picked up about 1.5 million today. Oh, we always like to be sure. So let's do the old math on this. Whenever our calculator decides to work. 4289845 minus, where is it? 2761. Yep, 2761. 2761. Double 8260. 882.60 equals 1.5 million 527,962.40.